Hello, good morning, dear blooming students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with the linking verb. Linking verb क्या है? Linking. Linking verb. Let us understand what is linking verb and how does it function. Be is am, are, was, were, is am, are, was, were, do, does, did, had, has, have, had. Let us know the uses of is, am, are, was, were, has, have, do, does, did, has, have, had. Is, am, are, was, were. How does is a link with the supplement, linking with supplement. आइए, he is वह है, a boy, linking this boy, noun, supplement of is here, boy. Sorry, supplement, complement. Boy, complement of is. Boy, noun here, complement of is. ये प्रयोग हो जा रहा है, अर्थ पूर्ण दे रहा है. Means here is as main verb. किस रूप में आ गया ये? Main verb. Main verb functioning as main verb. Meaning complete. Now meaning complete, functioning as is, am, are, was, were, do, does, did, has, have, had, functioning as main verb. और इसके साथ कोई कंप्लीमेंट आ गया, यहां पर नाउन कंप्लीमेंट है. ओके, I am happy. I am happy. I am मैं हूं. Incomplete meaning, incomplete sense. Happy. तो complement of I am. Happy here you see adjective. I am happy. Children are here. Children are here. Here as an adverb, complement of are. ये children are meaning incomplete, seems to be incomplete. बच्चे हैं are here. बच्चे हैं meaning not clear. Here it is clear. Here complement of are. Functioning as main verb. And this is an adverb, complement of are. The adverb here is we. Clear? Right? Adverb, complement. Next, let us understand. He was वह था, क्या था? Plighted. He was grieved. G-R-I-E-V-E-D. He was grieved. Grieved means बहुत व्यथित, कष्ट में, कष्टपूर्ण था. He was grieved. ये पैसिव वॉइस हो गया, लेकिन he was incomplete meaning and great, now participle. Complement of was. Over, there were students, विद्यार्थी थे. Students, complement of was. You see here, complement noun भी आ रहा है, adjective भी आ रहा है, adverb आ रहा है, noun आ रहा है, फिर participle आ रहा है, कहीं prepositional phrase आ जाएगा, कहीं पर adverbial phrase आ गया. Complement of verb is am, are, was, were. और एक कंप्लीट मीनिंग देगा. इस am, are मेन वर्ब की तरह आएगा, अपूर्ण मीनिंग दे रहा है. Do, she did, उसने किया, मीनिंग कंप्लीट हो गई. She did her work, उसने अपना काम किया. Did as main verb, right? He does sincerely, वह करता है, ईमानदारी पूर्वक करता है. Does complement, okay, sorry, did, now linking verb, linking this. Does linking verb, linking this. Here you see adverb, complement of does. Work, noun, complement of did. Sorry, complement of did. And sincerely, complement of does. Do, I do my homework daily. Homework, now complement of do, complement of homework, right? Functioning as a main verb, and complement is used after these linking verbs. Next step I would like to discuss, I would like to tell you, has. I have a cow. मेरे पास एक गाय है. A cow. She has a costly pen. They had their own books. Okay, cow complement of have, costly pen complement of has, had complement of books, and have, has, had functioning as a main verb, linking the complement. कंप्लीमेंट से लिंक कर रहा है और मीनिंग क्लियर हो जा रही है. और भी देखा जा सकता है. देखिए, let us learn more and more linking verbs, the uses of linking verbs. Will be, shall be, would be, should be, can be, could be, may be, might be. Okay, dear, let us use in various sentences. will be functioning as a linking verb, functioning as a main verb. Let us see, let us use, let us learn, let us understand. She will be, वह होगी, क्या होगी? Means she will be a teacher. Teacher here, complement of will be. Complement हो गया, and this is functioning as a linking verb. I shall be a doctor. The doctor complement of shall be. Shall be functioning as a linking verb, means as a main verb. You can see, can be. She can be clever. वह चतुर हो सकती है. She can be wise. Okay, can means ability to do. Wise complement of a can be. Wise adjective. ठीक है, right? She can be wise. Can be wise complement of can be, meaning clear. Can be functioning as a linking verb, verb functioning as a main verb. You may see here. Maybe. He may be a beggar. वो एक भिखारी हो सकता है. Possibility. Maybe here linking verb, complement of complement of beggar complement of maybe. Okay. Likely we may use here would be, should be, could be, might be. While changing into narration change करते समय इनको हम कर सकते हैं और करेंगे, सीख सकते हैं. नरेशन में आप इसको डिटेल पढ़ेंगे, ऐसे भी जानिए. चलिए, let us know. Ram said that Shyam would be a doctor. Shyam would be a doctor. शॉर्ट में हमने लिख दिया डॉक्टर. राम ने कहा कि श्याम एक डॉक्टर would be a doctor. Would be a doctor. Here you see would be functioning as a linking verb, as a main verb here. वह डॉक्टर हो सकता है. would be श्याम होगा, क्या होगा? मीनिंग इनकम्प्लीट. अ डॉक्टर कह देने से मीनिंग कंप्लीट हो गई, सेंस क्लियर हो गया. एंड दिस डॉक्टर कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ would be, should be, likely. पहले हम चाहिए अर्थ में देखते हैं. You should be आपको होना चाहिए. क्लियर? लिंक कर रहा है, लिंक करिए. You should be sincere, faithful. You should be faithful to your duty, sincere to your duty. You should be sincere to your duty. Sincere means complement of should be. Okay. फ्यूचर में इसका ध्यान दिया जा सकता है, प्रयोग किया जा सकता है. फ्यूचर एक्शन शो करने के लिए should be. Jack said that I said that I should be a teacher. मैंने कहा कि मैं एक टीचर होऊंगा. Right? Should be. So without a teacher, now should be doesn't give complete sense or meaning. And teacher complement of should be. Should be का एक complement हो गया, meaning clear हो गई. Should be, could be. Hans could be. Hans could be an engineer. Hans could be an engineer if he. चलिए इतना ही से मीनिंग क्लियर होगी. Hans could be an engineer. इंजीनियर हंस इंजीनियर हो सकता था. could be an engineer complement of could be. Okay, could be functioning as a linking verb, as a main verb you can say too. Clear? Might be, maybe might be. Might be. संभावना पास्ट एक्शन देखिए. she might be meaning incomplete. she might be a nurse. वह एक नर्स हो सकती थी. nurse complement of might be. Okay dear. Next thing, let us learn has been, she has been. So sense or meaning incomplete. She has been a brilliant scholar. Brilliant scholar of this college. वह इस कॉलेज की ब्रिलियंट स्कॉलर रही है. A brilliant scholar complement of has been functioning as a linking verb. ये लिंक ये पूरा ये a brilliant scholar now complement of has been. Okay, right? Has been likely have been. I have been a teacher. I have been a teacher. मैं टीचर रहा हूं. For about 30 years in this college. You see here, had been. Principal verb नहीं है. Principal verb not used here. It is as a linking verb, functioning as principal verb. Had been. had been Abraham Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Albert Einstein, Albert Einstein had been one of the greatest scientists of his time, of his age. अपने जमाने के अपने युग के आइंस्टीन महोदय, अल्बर्ट आइंस्टीन वे महान वैज्ञानिकों में से एक रहे। ओके, तो one of the greatest scientists of his age, complement of had been, principally scientist, complement of had been. तो had been functioning as linking verb. ओके, लिंकिंग वर्ब का काम किया है, इस पूरे फ्रेज को इसने लिंक किया, ये कंप्लीमेंट हो गया मेन वर्ब की तरह, हैड बीन। और देखा जा सकता है would have been, should have been, would have been, should have been, could have been, might have been, का प्रयोग देखा है, राइट? would have been, Raina would have been, Raina would have been a teacher, वैसे ही would have been a teacher, would have been teacher up to Ram said that Raina would have been a teacher up to 2025. 2025 तक रैना टीचर के रूप में रहेगी. Would have been, linking verb and a teacher, now complement of would have been. यहाँ पर क्योंकि हमने नरेशन दिखा दिया है ताकि ये क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन दिखाया है ताकि क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, ये should have been. Likely, this may be also used. I should have been. I should have been. I should have been. I should have been a teacher. I should have been a teacher up to my last breath. मैं अंतिम सांस तक टीचर रहूंगा. ओके, अप टू लास्ट ब्रेथ. तो दिस portion phrase complement of should have been, right? Linking verb and teacher up to my last breath, complement of should have been. Functioning as principal verb, main verb, could have been, could have been. Hanuman ji could have been the mightiest, could have been the mightiest hero during in his days. हनुमान जी अपने दिनों में द माइटिएस्ट हीरो, सबसे ज्यादा शक्तिशाली हीरो रहे होंगे अपने दिनों में. तो कुड हैव बीन, एबिलिटी टू, कुड मीन्स एबिलिटी टू डू, तो पास्ट में है, पास्ट एक्सप्रेशन है. हनुमान could have been the mightiest hero in his days. तो here हनुमान जी could have been, मीनिंग नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट आता है, द माइटिएस्ट हीरो इन हिज डेज, अपने दिन के, अपने समय के सबसे शक्तिशाली हीरो रहे होंगे, नायक रहे होंगे, राइट. यहां पर आप देख रहे हैं द माइटिएस्ट का प्रयोग है, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, एंड इन एडजेक्टिव. माइट हैव बीन, माइट हैव बीन, माइट हैव बीन, संभावना व्यक्त करिए पास्ट में. शी सेड दैट she might have been, she said that she might have been, she might have been a genuine poetess. She said that she might have been a genuine poetess in the days to come. In the days to come. आने वाले दिनों में वह एक विलक्षण प्रतिभा की पोएटेस, कवित्री हो, might have been, होगी. तो might have been, she said that she might have been, वह होगी या रहेगी, ठीक है, संभावना. क्या? इनकम्प्लीट सेंस मीनिंग. तो दिस द फ्रेज, ओके, complement of might have been. Okay dear, now you may use so many other means, so many sentences you may frame using these linking verbs. Next thing I would like to tell you, there are so many other verbs functioning as linking verb. For an example, become, become, she became, वह हो गई, बन गई, सॉरी, she became, वह बन गई. Meaning not clear. She became, meaning not clear. Clear नहीं हो रहा है. She became a doctor. So here you see became, become functioning as linking verb. ये linking verb है, और doctor complement of became. Okay. Look, she looks, वह दिखती है, right? In complete sense, she looks pretty, वह खूबसूरत दिखती है या beautiful, she looks very beautiful. Clear? So this pretty or beautiful complement of looks. She seems to be tired, वह थकी हुई सी दिखती है. She seems to be tired seems in complete meaning, and tired, to be tired, now complement of seems. So here you see linking verb, seems, now that is linking verb. ठीक है, right? She grows, वह उगती है, बढ़ती है. She grows tired. She grows weak. She grows weaker and weaker. She grows tired. Again, she grows weaker and weaker. Right? Complement of grows. Tired. Complement of grows. Participle. Here, adjective. Test. Mango tests. स्वाद लाता है. क्या? Meaning incomplete. Sweet. Sweet adjective complement of tests. Okay. What he said. Come. That is, देखिए, what he said, वो क्या कहा? What he said came, वो क्या कहा? Came हो गया या आ गया. Came true, right? तो ये true complement of came. Clear? Get. It gets. शाम का समय है. It gets dark. तो अंधेरा होना शुरू हो जाता है. It gets dark. Environment या sky, यहाँ sky कर सकते हैं. The sky gets dark. तो gets a dark complement of gets. Okay. Now, she went wrong. She went wrong means go. Went वह गई. Wrong गड़बड़ हो गई, गलत हो गई. She went. The wrong complement of went. It went linking verb. Okay. Went now linking verb functioning as main verb. She feels, वो महसूस करती है. Insulted. She feels insulted. Participle here complement of feels. एंड फिल्स लिंकिंग वर्ब किससे लिंक हो रहा है? कंसल्टेड से लिंक हो गया, मीनिंग क्लियर हो गया। ओके, इट रिमेन्स, रिमेन्स, इट रिमेन्स नथिंग, यहां कुछ भी शेष नहीं बचता है। तो हियर यू सी रिमेन्स कंप्लीमेंट, ये लिंकिंग वर्ब, रिमेन्स यह बचता है क्या? नथिंग, तो नथिंग कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ रिमेन्स। क्लियर? और देखिए नाउ सी, ही सीज, वह देखता है, कंप्लीट मीनिंग, लिंकिंग, he sees, hear, he hears, वह सुनता है, he hears, complete meaning but linking, main verb functioning as main verb. Okay, lotus smells स्वीट, मीठा महकता है लोटस, तो स्मेल, हियर यू सी, स्वीट कंप्लीमेंट, और कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ स्मेल्स, लेकिन यहां पर कंप्लीमेंट नहीं है, वो मीनिंग क्लियर है, फुल है, इसलिए कोई बात नहीं। थिंक, 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 आई थिंक, मैं सोचता हूं, कंप्लीट मीनिंग। ओके, नो कंप्लीमेंट ले भी सकते हैं। आई थिंक, आई थिंक, आई थिंक ऑफ हिम राइट पर्सन। तो थिंक ऑफ हिम राइट पर्सन, मैं सोचता हूं, कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ थिंक दिखाया जा सकता है। There are so many other words linking verbs you may use in your own sentences. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.